Good morning student, welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There are two questions of square and square root. These are the numerical based questions comes in the competitive examinations. So the question is like this: if square root of 15625 equal to 125, then find the value of root 156.25 plus root 1.5625 equal to what? You have to derive the value of this. So you see this is, if suppose that 15625 is 125, square root of 15625 equal to 125. If suppose there are two decimal place point, it means there will be one decimal place point. If point is here, if here are two, here will be one. Means if suppose that if I'll say 2 ka square equal to 4, or if I'll say square root equal to 4, so square root of 0.04 equal to 0.2. Okay, if here are two place, then it will here it will be one place. We'll verify 0.2 into 0.2, 0.2 into 0.2 becomes 0.04. Okay, similar way, in this way the value of this will become 12.5 plus, here are 4 place decimal, means here it will be 2 place, ultimately it will be 2 place. Okay, so 12.5 plus 1.25. Okay, so 13.75 will be the answer for this. So these are the tricky question, a bit you have to apply a bit mind for the same. These are easiest questions. So second question is, find the value of square, the whole square root of 10 plus whole square root of 25 plus whole square root of 108 plus square root of 169. What will it become? Like this: 10 plus root 25, like this. So the last square root, first priority you have to give it to this, you have to give it to this, the first priority you have to solve this this square root. So it is 108. 169, what is the root of 169? Equal to always 13. So 13 you will put here. Okay, so like this, 10 plus like this root 25 plus, it will become 121. 108 plus 13 becomes 121. So when it becomes 121, okay, I'm solving here. So it becomes root 10 plus root 25. Root 121 is always it is the 11 ka square root. 11 ka square is root 21, so root 121 ka square root is always 11. 25 plus 11, 36. 36 ka square root is always 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. The answer is 4. So the answer is 4 for this expression. So these are the answers for both the questions. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.